Hi, good morning. How's everyone doing today? Market is crashing almost. Today looks like it's going to be a big day. Oh my goodness. The first trading day of September. They say that September is not a good day for markets, and it's proving to be that today. I'm just looking at all the indexes and all the stocks. Everything is red except for volatility, which is UVXY, which is green, and rest is all red. Isn't that amazing? How's everyone doing today on September 2nd? I can see on the book map that there are so many orders on both sides for ES and NQ, like all the way up to 23147, and of course up to 65, and then nothing else, nothing much above that. And it's getting some support here around 23150, which is proving to be a little bit difficult for the market to breach on the downside. Um, but yeah, I'm not. I don't want to enter anywhere here for the long side, and neither on the short side, because there's so many orders on the top side too. So it can jump anytime. And ES is also showing some kind of support in this area, 6408 area, 6400 area, rather, I should say, the big number. And if it reaches that, then we will have a very good downside today. And, yeah, so it looks like we are getting some support in this area because 6400 is a big number, and for NQ, I think this is also proving to be a support, 231650. So we are just watching right now. Soon Sean will join too, and then we'll have good analysis of the market. But today it seems to be a red day. I'm looking at the daily charts, and we have a big bar in the red today. So it has closed the gap, the big gap that happened on what was that day? 822. The gap, the market jumped on 822. It has closed the gap today. So now we have a big support here at 23150, and another support is at 23088, and below that there is no support. So because that is also below the VWAP on the daily, and after that it'll be like a big flush if it happens. So we're looking at these areas, which is 23150 and 6400 on ES. Nvidia is like 4 points down. So it breached 170 on the downside. Hey,
Hello,
good morning,
Vivek. Can
sir.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yep,
Vivek,
you can hear me too, right? Hello? You can hear me or not?
Vivek, can you hear me?
I can hear. I don't know whether you can hear or not.
All right, Vivek, can you hear me now? I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All
Yep.
right, okay. All right, man. This is the brutal sell-off coming in. Right now, we are very close to the 50 SMA support on the NQ. Um, there could be a bounce. There could not be a bounce, but right now it's very weak. I'm not sure what is the data for 8:30. We're expecting the 8:30 data here. Let's see what was the data. Yeah, I think it was ISM manufacturing. So there's nothing much, but definitely seems a bit weak here. Extremely weak at this point. No bids coming in. It seems to me that the market might want to go to the ES 6400 area. NQ has already lost close to all the support going towards the 560. Um, so definitely very weak
So
at
ISM
this.
is at 10. So yeah, ISM data is at 10.
ISM is at 10 and S&P Global is 945. So there's no data at this point, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just that the market is not liking that US may have to return the tariffs if the court doesn't allow, because those tariffs have been considered to be illegal now. So that's why the yields are jumping, the treasury yields, and I think
So
that's what.
basically, they're saying that the risk is that the tariff is going to be pulled back.
Yeah, because they are considered to be illegal by the appeals judge, right? Appeals
So I
court.
think, but that's the good thing, right? Because initially the market was against the tariff. So
Yeah, it's about right now it's about yield, like treasury yields, right? And so yields are jumping because now US owes money to countries if the tariffs are illegal. So that's one of those things. So that's why I was talking, just like you mentioned, 6,400 is a big number on the support side, right? For ES and NQ is already. I was talking at that time. It is 2150 and to be breached one, but now that is also gone. So now we are so close to the VWAP, right, on the daily.
yeah,
So I
ES,
think it
ES,
closed
is,
the gap,
ES is
right?
also going towards the 50 SMA right now.
Yeah, it closed the gap on from August 22 on
Yeah.
NQ. It's dropping like crazy. So the next support is 23,085 that I can see.
Yeah, I think it can easily breach those supports now. The given the way it is moving.
Yeah. I mean, if ES breaches 6,400, then yeah, there's no looking back because NQ will follow ES.
So he has just touched the 6400. So there might be some buying here.
Your market likes certainty, right? Whether you want tariffs or whether you have tariffs or you don't have tariffs, correct?
Exactly.
Now we now the judge has ruled that it's illegal, so they may have to refund.
What's going on here, man? This is brutal.
So how are you doing, Joanna? Where are you located in the US or in Europe? So Sean, are they able to join our Discord channel too?
Who?
Whoever's on YouTube, whoever is on YouTube today?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. So the NQ has already dropped 300 points
I think
from.
more than that because the we left it on the yesterday 520. So right now it's 120, right? So almost, yeah.
Oh, you're in the south of France. That's amazing. So Joanna is in the. Of course, she lives in the US, but she's a digital nomad now. That's what I want to be, and to live in France too. South of France is amazing. I want to live in the French Riviera. Sean, do you know a lot of countries are inviting um, US or any country people to be digital nomads now because of all the internet and the Zoom and whatnot, right?
Yeah, okay. I didn't know about it.
Yeah, like they're giving incentives to long-term visas and all those things. Like
Mm.
if you want to be a digital nomad, they will give you 1 year visa. Yeah. So Joanna has been in south of France for 3 months now. Yeah, south of France. I just want to live in a small village in south of France and just immerse myself there. That's what my dream is. Oh, you have a Spanish passport. That's nice. Yeah, if you have a Spanish passport, then you can live in France forever. It's a it's a Schengen country, right? So Sean, you're waiting for 6400 to be reached.
I'm thinking that this might gonna defend 6400, but I really don't want to breach 6400 here because it could be,
Yeah,
you know, it. I want the institutions to come and defend this level because NQ is already close to the 50 SMA.
Yeah,
At least temporary buying, right? I mean,
yeah,
oh.
it
Breaking.
broke.
It's broke.
It broke. There might be a bounce here, but so Joanna, you're doing you have you took an Airbnb there with a pool. Yeah, I love those small towns in Europe. So it's kind of holding, right, Sean?
Yeah, I think that I'm just looking to see if we can find a setup here because 6400 is a good close to what right now at 849. We still have the 45 minutes. We don't want another leg down here. Seriously, that could be disaster. Come
Yeah.
on, hold this here. Come on, give us a bounce, a strong bounce. Come on.
The next gap is like 22830. The next level, big level, on NQ. That's it. That's very much below. Yeah, I don't think it's holding 6400 at all. But if it jumps, it
I
will
mean, it's gonna
jump very
jump down. I think
violently,
people are
right?
waiting because the way the sell-off is happening, nobody wants to go first.
Yeah.
So everybody's waiting. I think it's now crossing above 6400. So that's good. The big order fit at
Hmm.
6400, but nobody came to. I think it's coming. Yeah, people, if you guys want to go long, you can go long here. I think it looks good. Go small size and hold it.
On
Anything,
what?
anything,
NQ or
anything's moving.
ES? So that's nice. It's free. So yeah, it's you don't have to pay euros either. So that's nice. Joanna is living for free in that
Let's see,
small
can it
village
take the
in
23,145
France.
order first on the NQ? And then where is the next order sitting? And
It's
then
at
160.
195 then. 160,
Let's see that
195.
because 150 is a really big mess here.
Yeah, 150 was holding for a long time, so it might prove to be a resistance too.
Come on, don't fail here. Come on. That's not. That's the very brutal sell-off. Again,
Yeah, that's the problem, right? It's such a brutal sell-off that bouncing will not be that easy. I mean, that fast.
I
So
mean, initial bounce should be
hopefully it
the
is fast, but
fastest, then consolidation, and then if you wanted to move back up, but at least a little bit of buying going towards the uh, 9 EMA.
yeah. So 9 EMA at 40 is the resistance right now.
Oh, here you go.
It jumped down.
What happened?
It went down
Yeah,
violently.
I stopped out as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not going up easily.
Come on, come on, come on. Still can hold it. Can go and reverse again, and then we can take it long. Because sometimes these spikes are just the, you know, noise, and then continue on back up. That was maybe just a liquidation candle. If it's claim back again 23,140, I'm gonna go long.
There are no orders on the top side. That's they're all the way up to nine, but they can bring in anything. They can flip the
That's
book.
true as well. Yeah. Now watching it, let's see. Let's watch and see if we can find it. At this point, I guess the patience is the key. I'm also watching it to see that if we can reclaim 23,140. Definitely a very bad sell-off right now. Let's see that if we can find. And what I'm really looking is to see that if we can hold a little bit here at 6,400, and then we can find any pullback, either the long opportunities or I think it's really too much sold off. Really hard to find the continuation move. But right now it is weak. We were thinking it's going to hold 6,400. It dropped quickly. I stopped out. Right now it is sort of holding it, but not really. Don't want any next, drop here. Come on, hold this. I think possibility is there. It's going to hold. But I will only going to go long if it's going to reclaim 23, 140 or 150 area.
So futures are actually dropping more than the stocks. Stocks are dropping, but definitely futures are dropping more.
Yeah, I mean, that's definitely the area where things can hold, but you cannot foresee, right? The important thing is that you need to patiently wait. I will be back in 1 second, guys.
So it's reclaiming 6400. So it's going to kind of support. There's a support here.
Now watching, so see, so right now, what we really want is to go over 23 140 to show us a real bounce.
Yeah. First, it has to jump over 6400, right? Yes.
ES is, I think, is over. Yeah, it's still 63.98. So
Yeah. So that is a big number, and if it doesn't reach that, then I don't see any bounces.
I think I think there's a likelihood it's going to reclaim. The question is that it's going to go reclaim the VWAP before the market opens or after the market opens.
It's down 350 points today. Yeah, this is a boring market today. It's going
I,
only down.
I think the volatility will come back once market will reopen.
Probably, yeah, definitely.
I mean the 9:30 session.
Yeah, there has to be volatility. It's just that the way it was jumping at 9 up and down. like 50 points up and down.
Yeah.
So volatility is still already there, but it has got no rhyme or reason kind of volatility, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
You don't know where it is going. Even I was thinking it'll hold 6400, otherwise I would have gone short big time.
Come on. Come on. Don't be so annoying. Give us a bounce. A small bounce could help us.
So Sean, you should invite Joanna to our Discord channel.
Yeah, today is also I kept it open. So if you guys, if Joanna is want to join, she can join. And the link is also I've pinned it, so link is there on the chat as well. So if you go to the pin message on the, so she can come here, the pin message. Look at the pin message on this chat, and then she can come and join. Today we kept it open for everyone. You can see a lot of people are there. They can still come. So you can see bounce is coming now.
She can tell us about her wineries and vineyards, right?
Yeah.
French vineyards. Liquid DS saying 22760 is possible. 22760. That'll be super low.
It seems to me that the market has already made the bottom for today, I guess.
Yeah, there was a there is a low of 22788 on 8-1, but that is the lowest I see in a long time. 8-1 is 22.7. Yeah, definitely the trend liquid. Definitely the trend is down.
So, I mean, it's always a tricky because if you look at it, market is very close to the 50 SMA right now. So yes, there could be close on the downside, but it's also possible that that the people start going to buy and then maybe then may sell off in the afternoon. Because if you look at it, it was a very steep low, right? Steep low, in any given market. And then if you look at the SPY or SPY 50 SMA is really too far, 630. So I don't think so. There will be another sell off to the 630 today, which is another 7 points. ES is already on the 50 SMA. NQ has already lost 50 SMA. ES is triple Q is also lost the 50 SMA. So I think that there is a fair chance it's going to go. At least I think this bounce could likely be going to the VWAP. Could easily go to the VWAP.
So you're talking about 50 SMA on what time frame you're talking about?
Daily chart, daily chart, daily chart.
Daily.
Because after this big sell-off, there is no importance of any lower time frame.
Yeah. So yeah. NQ is below the 50.
NQ is way below the 50.
Yeah.
ES is just retest the 50. Triple Q retesting the 50 SMA now. So I think that this is really a Just give me a second, I'll be back. Okay.
So liquid is asking for 4 hour, 5 day.
They're rejecting the 21 EMA again.
I mean, everyone is looking for a bounce, right? It has dropped so much, so everyone is thinking, oh, it'll go up, but it's not letting up at all. The sell-off continues.
I don't think. I think it's just this is bottoming price action at this point here. Because my ES is holding 6400. I mean, the people have a good incentive to, what you call the bottom fish, or the dip buy the dip. They have the good incentive basically.
Yeah, the bottom is 2360, so it's like a 55 points risk.
Oh, thank you, Dan, for reminding me. Yes. Oh, sorry, I was on mute here on the Discord. Guys, you have to message me, and I didn't realize it. Can you guys hear me now? Awesome. Okay. All right. So I think the plan for today's plan. But anyway, I didn't talk much today. But I think the plan is today to see that what going to happen in the market once market going to open. At this point, I see the bottoming price action. There's a 50 SMA on the screens, and it is just trying to hold those areas. So there is a high possibility is that we're gonna see a bottom very soon in the market. But the question is that are we going to get the new leg after have a small bounce, or we continue to come down? I think that there should people must be expecting a smaller bounce, but it could go to the VWAP, or just a small bounce and then come back down, or maybe another leg down, retest the bottom and then move back up. Um, I think that I think the institution have a good incentive uh, to buy a little bit here as well.
On the 1 minute, it breached the 50 SMA on NQ.
Yeah, I think it's bouncing now. I think it's bouncing for sure. It's bouncing. We need to see it now. I think it's very close to 23,124 where the spike came in the NQ on the 5 minute. ES 1 minute spike still 23,140 away. We need to see what price action will does in the 23,140 level. I see I see some good orders sitting.
Yeah, they have a lot of orders now, all the way up to 70. So probably there'll be a big bounce in that as soon as the market opens.
So 3 minutes left in the market open. We'll see that what's going to happen next. Yeah, the drop coming in seems like a retesting. Okay, guys, be very careful today. No, I'm not on the mute on the Discord. I can you can hear me now. If you want to come and join there. Okay. All right. Only. All right. Good luck, guys. Okay. First move is coming down. Market is trying to make the new low. We see the 23050 big order came in, and then market is now trying to bounce. All of you guys can hear me, right? On the Discord, if you can just give me a thumbs up or say yes or no. Awesome. All right. Okay. All right, guys. The first move is coming down here. Yep. So, I mean, there's no trade. I mean, it's just pushing down. So there must be a profit taking going to go, or liquidation is going to happen right now, capitulation happening. NQ is holding 23037 and ES is 6384. If you look at it, they are way below the 50 SMA right now. Okay, so it's holding this area. Is NQ is holding on the daily chart, which is the previous support when the August 2023 one, when it sell off. That's exactly going to the range. ES is just a bit little bit of a shy away, but NQ is exactly at the key level. So I think that the 2300 is the level where it can bounce. Let's see that now what's happened here. If I'm going to get the better formation, I would consider going long over 23 100. We'll see then what it does. Yeah, usually YouTube has always a delay. Yeah, it's because of the YouTube. Awesome. All right. All right. So yeah. So see here, this bounce is coming. We're gonna look for the opportunity to go long here somewhere. Uh, this is a place I was thinking it's going to bounce. It's bouncing right now. All right. So watch NQ. We can go long here over 23 100. It's going to be 20-point stop loss here. Okay, I'm long. So though it's moved 30 points, just give a little bit more chance. I think it's can go to 23,150. It's rejecting here again. So far it's moving good, but ES is struggling here. Let's see, can we go 23,150? Took the 23,150 order. It's good. I'm taking partial here if someone wants to take a partial here. It's a good trade, almost the 50 points trade. Anyone took it with me? ES is coming down now. NQ is trying to hold. NQ looks strong here. I'm I'm flat right now. We only took the profit. Vivek, did you take the profit?
Yeah, I took it. Yeah.
Very close to the VWAP. Seems like 23,200 move is coming. ES is failed. Still holding 23,150. I'm watching to see if we can, if ES can move up, maybe we can give another leg up on the NQ. But at this point, both are struggling. Here you go. Next leg is coming up. Come on, NQ, you can do it. Come on. What Nvidia is doing right now. Yeah, everything is bouncing. Nvidia is bouncing.
Even ES is bouncing now, so
No,
that's a good
it's
thing.
better good. So big order sitting where 23,200. NQ still didn't break the opening range. Oh, ES didn't even break the opening range yet. NQ didn't hit the borders. 55 again. Let's see what it does. ES now. He's just trying to very strong move now. You can look for another trade in the NQ over 23,200 if it's going to break out. But it has to align with the ES. Okay, watch ES and NQ both are climbing. If it's going to retest ES opening range, we can go long here. Very small size, okay? Go very small size. Whatever the size you have taken in the first trade, take the smaller size here. Okay. Let's see if we can get the push to 23, 230. The next orders are. Okay, good. I'm taking partial here. Taking partial here. There is a big order sitting at 23,250. You can scale it to the partial to another side. I'm out completely flat right now. Did you take the two trades with me?
No, I did not take this second one.
What about you guys on the YouTube? If it's gonna retest 23,200, we can re-enter. Uh, we do not have any order sitting there. I'm flat right now. I'm gonna watch to see if we can get the retest here.
It was a very big recovery.
Nothing. It's nothing.
I know for NQ it's nothing, but it was a 150 point jump.
Yeah, I think it was expected, right? That the buyer is going to come in. So I think now what I'm looking at to see that if market can pull back to 23,200 to 180 area, that's where we can buy again. Guys, those who have not joined our strategy classes or our Discord, we what you do, you see on the X, on the YouTube is just a bit delay. If you want to be part of our community, come and join our Discord. It's only we have a live strategy classes and everything included. It's just $150 without delay and trade with me. See, if you have traded with me, I have called two trades, both 100% green. You could have easily recovered almost the annual fees just because of these two trades. Because it's this trade, these two trades are over 80 points trade. So I'm watching the next move now, what market does here. So John, I look at the visualization. You can see clearly here on the book map. Um, all right, watch guys. Let's look at it for the next move. How many of you guys taken the trade with me? Did you guys leave a thumbs up for us? I see that you guys are really uh, not appreciative to us, man. Come on, give it a thumbs up. I see there's not even the not even the seven thumbs up. We have over 50 people online. We have almost 20 people are on the Discord. Where are you guys? Come on, give a thumbs up, please.
Alex already made like $10,000 today. So $10,000 today.
Where did you read that?
No, he's adding in six and three and whatnot, right?
And he's shorting it. He's shorting it. Oh, here you go. The big spike came in at 10 o'clock. What is the data? I think it was 10 o'clock
ISM,
data.
ISM, yeah. I don't know the data yet, but ISM was weighted today.
Just give me 1 second. All right. So I'm still watching to see if we can find the next trade here.
So it jumped on NQ on the data, and then it went back to where
Yeah,
it
that's fine.
started jumping.
I think they're gonna take the little profit. I'm watching the 23 200 to 23 180 area. Let's see what it does here. Can it hold this area?
On the 30-minute, it rejected the 21 EMA. Still above VWAP, so that's a good thing. So you're really looking for a retest of VWAP and then bounce over that, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not chasing it in the already
Yeah.
uh, can start coming back down here. So guys, what you guys doing? I don't see any improvement in the likes.
It just means that they don't like you. So there's no if they like you, they have to like, right?
I mean, they wanted to trade with us, but they don't want to even give a thumbs up here.
Yeah. Alex doesn't like you. Piper doesn't like you. John doesn't like you. No one likes you, Sean. Nicola doesn't like you. Liquid doesn't like you. Joanna doesn't like you. Nobody likes you. You just make them money. That's it. What's the big deal about it? Huh? Yeah, just give a thumbs up. No, we're not asking for anything. Thumbs up on YouTube. That's it. It just promotes the channel, right? It gives it
All
preference.
right, guys, watch. Thank you, Blair. Yeah, guys, give us a thumbs up. Let us help other reach out to other traders who are struggling. If you're not going to help us, not going to like us, the YouTube algorithm is not going to help us.
Yeah, like doesn't cost at all. So why not like? Free likes. So how would you, Sean, how would you know whether it's a reversal or it's a pullback at this point?
We wouldn't know if it's gonna be if we stop out, it mean that this was reversal.
Yeah,
How would I know? But I guess that the way it moved, I think that people are going to add on the pullback.
yeah. Yeah, you have to tell that, then people will like more, probably.
So I have a special indicator. Actually, the big orders sitting on 23,200, 23,190, and then we have 187, and then we have a lot of orders on the 250, 275, right? And right now on the daily chart, we are bouncing. Yes, we are short term very weak, but we are bouncing on the 50 SMA, and also we are above 6,400. So there's a high likelihood that this drop would be the pullback drop, not the reversal drop. But it has to come back between the. I wanted to see that what it does between 23,175. Can it drop to that first, and then once it's dropped, then what it does?
I don't see orders up to that. I just see orders up to 185 or 190.
No, I see that in our bookmap we have orders sitting.
Okay. No, I'm looking at my book map, so I don't know. Maybe there's a difference in settings, but I see only up to 190, 185. Major orders.
Sid, that's the dream, man. That's the dream. We grow, but I see the other channels having 3,3, 4,000 viewers. I don't know why we don't have it that much.
I mean, it takes time, right? If you just started, it takes years.
Taking forever. All right, here you go. Okay, coming, right? So watch for it, okay? I'm not in the trade, but I'm looking to find the trade. So if NQ come back between the 23,200 to 23,175, the first area, I want to see what it does. Ideally, if it, just dip little bit below 23,175 and then pull back sharply, that will be the indicator for us to go along.
Sid, you should join our Discord for free and talk to us. We love your voices. We
All
love
right,
your
watch, watch.
200 is acting like a support.
Yeah, I mean there was order. Okay, so they have basically removed the order of 190. So that's good. That's mean that they now wanted to bring that down. So they remove the order. Here you go. It's coming down. Now let's see what it does. They remove the order of 23,190.
I still see it on my book map.
No, but not that much. It was a very big order sitting on it, 23,190. Very big buyer, and it removed it all the way. Once it filled the 200, they removed it. We'll see that if it can bring it back. So no trade right now. They're holding both. They're both holding VWAP at this point. Come on, don't bounce now. Come on, don't bounce now. Come on. Okay. If it doesn't want to come down, the next entry would be the small size entry over 23,240. That would be the another trade. Can we go and make the new high if it doesn't want to come? So NQ
What makes you say 240?
240 is because the if you look at the 5 minute chart, it's a breakout formation both for ES and NQ at the same time on a 5 minute chart. Not yet, no, but there's strong breakout formation. Either one of the setup needs to work. Either it has to pull back, but if it hold 23,200, which is a VWAP, then we look for the high of the day breakout. Okay, so it didn't reach 23,240. So it's coming to our the first idea, the first scenario I was hoping. That's really good. Come on, give us another leg down. Come on. It basically trapped the long on the upside. Those who trying to break out. So they must be trapped now. So if it's gonna pull back here, they're gonna all stop out. And when they're gonna stop out, it's going to be a strong flush. And that's where I was looking for, so that we can go long. Come on, give us a drop. Come on.
Don't ask for a bigger drop because then who knows where it will go.
I want as big as drop as can be, but not slow drop,
Yeah,
fast spike.
fast drop. Yeah.
You know what I mean? You see this? We want to like this, like a snake, Zzz, faster, and then again for immediately pull back. Okay, it's going. Let's watch what's happened. Come on. Okay, this is the last dimension of this setup. It has to go below. Come on. Come on. Didn't drop completely what I was expecting. Trying to bounce here. No, no, no. Come on, bounce. Come on, drop and then bounce. Come on. Okay, didn't drop. Didn't not not traded yet. Okay, I think it looks good now. I think we can go long here. This setup looks good here. I'm gonna go over 23,240 if it's gonna break out here. Again, couldn't break 23,240. Okay, I'm long. I'm long before the breakout of 23,240. I went before the 23,240. Given it moved, I'm gonna give a stop loss 17. If it's gonna break, if it's gonna break 15, I'm gonna stop out. So 23,214 is my stop loss. Okay, working fine. Working fine. Working fine. Let's see, can it break 23,250? Okay, it's breaking 250. Can it go break 23,250? Okay, good. Going. Good. Good, good, good. I think they both are break ES and NQ both are breaking out. Come on. It's 10:22. Consolidating. Okay, going back to our stop loss. Still holding it. There's 2 more minutes. Let's see what it does. Is it making a lower high? Still the 15 would be the stop loss, remember? Okay, I'm stopping out. Okay, so I think the second setup is again going to be in play, what I was initially expecting. That scenario is much better and low risk. So I will stop out here. It's definitely making a lower high setup now. Twenty-three 190 orders is back in the books. Might be that the similar setup is going to come in play with the ES 6400. It might be that NQ doesn't drop to 23 to 7, which I was looking for. Maybe the ES drop to 6400 and then price move back up. We're gonna wait a little bit. Almost 2 minutes left in 10:30. It's holding again. Look at this bounce. Exactly going into the same price level. Not yet. I'm in the trade. I'm gonna watch to see if it's gonna break again. That's we can go. Look at the ES. ES is also moving very sharply now. Very beautiful move. Man, we are not here in this trade, but it's moving really nicely. That was a move I was expecting. Okay, I'm gonna take this breakout trade after 10:30, or if it's gonna break out. All right, 10:30 right now. Very strong 5 minute candle. If it's gonna break out now over the this 5 minutes over, which is basically 23 to 60, then we can go at the breakout trade. But I'm not going to chase now unless it's gonna break out. That was a very strong move. This is the move we were expecting, but still within the range. Maybe we entered almost close to 35, um, and it could be 20 points, but not enough for us to take the profits. Right now, if you look at it 5 minutes, it's just kind of a range between the 955 from the 955 to this point, almost 35 minutes range created. I think it's going to break out, and the breakout trade could be a good trade. But chasing before the breakout is just going to be just keep going. Look at that. We tried before 36. It went a little bit and then stop us out. So right now we have a range of the last 35 minutes created between the 2200 to 23 to 60, and the 60 point range is really big range at this point. So ideally would it be that this can drop a little bit and then we can buy all, you know, but what really happened is that before the drop it pulled back, now coming back down. So it's just like a 60 point range from on the ES is close to from 955, and NQ is the same thing from 955 is a range. So watch for the breakout trade. You can go all the way to the pre-market, which is 23,220. Is easily can go and break out 23,300. So right now it's really slow. So no entry for me yet. Ideally, I would love to see the move down. If not, then I want this to go the break over 23,264 for me to take the trade. It's very slow. Yeah, see again, it's slowing down. Yeah, it's really slow. It's really slow. Okay, no trade for me. It's dropping. Look at the see. Look at the key levels. I'm pointing you out, guys, that these levels have been respected, isn't it, Vivek?
Yeah, they are respected. Yep, definitely.
So yeah, no more trade. So I really wish that I wanted to see a drop here. That will create some exuberance. Those who are going long and expecting the long now, they just all going to be stop out, and they're going to reverse the position, and that same time we're going to go long, and that's bring the liquidity back in the market, what we needed to make the new leg up. Right now, given it is just straight up, you know people wanted to see that it's coming down, so they start shorting it.
The problem is it waited too long at 2326.
It's just consolidating. I mean, after the first big move, it's just consolidating within the
I
range.
know what I mean. I mean, it's like it went all the way
Yeah,
three times, right? Three times or four times up to 60.
it's kind of a double top now, or
Yeah,
whatever you want to say.
it couldn't breach it.
Yeah,
Because I'm looking at the chart, 1 minute chart from 9:30. It is almost a straight line at
yeah.
23260.
So,
So
guys, our first idea is still going to back in play now.
tried 4 or 5 times.
Guys, how do you feel?
But
Yeah, how do you feel that if we stop streaming YouTube?
it's good. I mean, YouTube is never bad. YouTube is never bad. It's just that people don't like us. That's the problem.
I hope you guys have not chased it. Anyone who was chasing this move before my entry,
So, Alex, you're short or long? Because you're saying your entry was 23333.
all right, guys, it's almost 10:40. I don't know whether we have another trade right now, but I'm just gonna wait to see if we can go within the same range as I said, to 23,175 area. And if I see that drop, I'm going to go long. It's almost 10:40. Our time is about to end the stream. And anyway, let me see that, how much appreciation you're given to us today. So not much. Still, still only 11 likes. So I'm really disappointed with all of you guys.
I mean, it's not about disappointment. It's about they don't like us. That's the thing.
Yeah, but they're online. They're sitting online.
That they must be watching something else. Maybe a movie or something. They forgot. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, they don't want to like us.
All right, guys, I'm just going to end the stream at this point because I don't see any feedback from you guys. So there's no point of doing something which you don't appreciate. How you guys doing on the Discord, guys? Anyone took all both the two trades? We took three trades, two profitable, one small loss. Thank you, Blair. All right, I think this is going into the direction which I was expecting. So let's see that what it does. It's really touching now. 23,192. But the only problem here is that I don't see. I see the small liquidity holding 23,175 now. All the big orders, which was really I was really hoping for, now disappeared. Okay, but I'm gonna still watch this level to see that what it does. Okay, it's exactly in the area where I wanted to see. Okay, ES is also close to 6400. All right, let's see what happened. This is a key level. Let's see what happened here. Okay, it's pushing down, so no trade at this point. Let's see what it does at 23,175. Took the order at 23,175, but didn't push down. There's no big order sitting at 6,400 here. Let's see, can we see the drop here? He's not able to break 2375. Okay, I'm going small size here. Yes, it's exactly at 6,400. Okay, I'm gonna go long 23,175 with 10-point stop loss. I'm gonna go long 23,175 with 10-point stop loss. So right now it's breaching a little bit. So if we're gonna go long 23,175, it's going to be more than 10-point long. Okay, so I'm okay. Wait, so I'm canceling the idea at this point. There is a 150 big order sitting at 150. Market has just retested 6,400. Okay, no trade yet. It's definitely pushing down. It's not holding 6,400. So no long idea. Okay, I'm gonna go small size long here, 23,150, and the stop loss is 23,130. So 20-point stop loss. I'm going long here. Okay, very small size with a 20-point stop loss. Okay, 20-point stop loss. I'm taking it. I'm already long here. I'm just taking a risk here. 20-point stop loss. I'm taking 20-point stop loss here. So check your size and then go accordingly. 20-point stop loss here. Okay, we are turned green here. Thing is, if it's gonna start moving back up, it can go to 23,200 retest. Okay, it's moving. Okay, it's moving. Okay, it's moving. Is there any news expected? The way it's moving very slowly. Seems to me that there's something cooking. Is Trump speaking or something? What, Vivek?
We're not sure what's going on, but it's moving.
Yeah, it's in a direction. I mean, I'm gonna trail this. If it's gonna once it's going to go over 23 175, I'm gonna start trailing it. Right now we are uh, just just a small few points in the money, not too much. No, Blair, I don't trade ICT. I don't even ever understood ICT. I don't know. I'm not an ICT guy. I am a market context guy as the structural trader with the volume profile. So right now it's struggling, but we are in the good shape because we have a very tight stop loss, and it is respecting our stop losses. So we have almost 1:3 our potential on this trade. We can still at least get 40 45 points easily if it's going to start moving back up. I feel like it can easily test 23 200. Right now we're in the good shape. We are almost 20 points up. Vivek, how many points? I am 20 points up almost
On what?
on this trade. 30 points up now.
But we entered at 23.50,
30.
21, 23, 150, right?
No, 150. No, I didn't enter 150.
Huh?
I entered. Oh, yes, yes, 150, 150, 150. I'm looking at the my contract size as a point in.
So
Yeah,
it's
so
only
16 points in the money. So we are in the good shape right now. Let's see what it does. I think the first target would be to see if we can reclaim 23 175. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a leave. I have to go somewhere, but you be already in the profitable trade, so manage your trade and take the profitability. And please, guys, give us the like, thumbs up if you are enjoying our trade. Vivek, do you want to stay a little bit here, or you want me to end the stream?
No, we can end the stream.
All right, all right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.